A few of you had been wondering why the updates on the Model A have gotten so scarce. And that's mainly because the thing just ran for the last half year or so. I had one occasion where my brake lights stopped working. It was a quick fix because the little plastic disc that had opened and closed the contacts before had worn out. The short fix was to just twist it around 180 degrees to give it some fresh surface to ride on. The long fix will be to make a Teflon washer which will not wear out essentially. Why a short-term fix in the first place? Well, I had been departing for a big vacation road trip, and now that I do want to keep you updated about. So this is going to be some sort of a travelogue, if you will, documenting the miles that I ripped down on the car, basically to get some miles on the transmission and see how it fares. I took the Autobahn to efficiently get past the crowded areas around Cologne and Leverkusen. Once past that, I joined the scenic route along the Rhine at the height of Bonn. Now I took this trip just by myself, so there won't be too many epic scenic movie shots, I'm afraid. I hope you'll find it somewhat watchable anyways.
Let's spend the day in my Model A. She's running slick as a top. That Ford motor has lots of power. She'll do better than 50 miles an hour.
There'll be a picnic basket in the rumble seat.
If we blow a gasket, who cares?
When do we eat?
The first leg of the journey led me along the Rhine to about an hour north of Stuttgart, where I met a distant cousin of mine whom I made the cable tie stamping tool for. He was eager to not only show me the tool in action, but also get out his good old gal, a 98 Oldsmobile Regency. I spent the day there and hopped onto the Autobahn the following morning to get into the buzzing town of Stuttgart, where I visited my grandmother.
You are now on the open Autobahn.
Welcome to hell, ladies and gentlemen. Downtown Stuttgart is one of the last places you want to be driving a classic car in. Even on Sundays it's absolutely crowded, and the constant construction sites make it very irritating and very easy to get lost. Luckily, Stuttgart is also home to one of the most car-hating governments in all of Germany, so the constant speed limits and red light waves give you plenty of time to get yourself oriented and have a look where you actually need to be going. Once you're out of the boiling valley, it's actually not that bad. And this is where my grandmother lives.
Auf der Schwäbische Eisenbahn gibt's gar viele Haltstationen, Stuttgart, Ulm und Biberach, Neckarbeire, Dullesbach. Trulla, trulla, trullala, trulla, trulla, trullala, Stuttgart, Ulm und Biberach, Neckarbeire, Dullesbach. Auf der Schwäbische Eisenbahn wollen wir mal ein Beile fahren, grad ein Schalter Luft der Hut.
Ein Billettle sind so gut.
Trulla, trulla, trullala, trulla, trulla, trullala, grad ein Schalter Luft der Hut. Ein Billettle sind so gut. Einen Bock hat er gekauft und dass er ihn nicht verlaufen, bindet ihn der gute Mann an der Händlerwagen noch. Trulla, trulla, trullala, trulla, trulla, trullala, bindet ihn der gute Mann an der Händlerwagen noch. Bitte du noch wollte springen, das Wasser wird die dir schon bringen, hockt sich zu sein Weiben noch, zieht sein stinkes Pfeifle an. Trulla, trulla, trullala, trulla, trulla, trullala, hockt sich zu sein Weiben noch, zieht sein stinkes Pfeifle an.
I stayed in Stuttgart for a few days and then headed on to the Pfalz, where I spent the rest of the week fixing radios and tinkering around with old stuff, as I usually do.
Let's spend the day in my Model A. I'll fetch you in the early morn. Come running when you hear my horn. You'll bless the day that you were born to ride in my Model A.
Let's spend the day in my DKW. He's running slick as a top. Two-stroke motors have lots of blitz. 3 cylinders are equal to 6.
Oh, you can have your Mercer, your Rio, or Stutz.
A Model A is juicer, so don't butt me no butts.
Radio night, happy and gay, music to charm all your troubles away. While the band is playing, everybody's swaying. Radio night, free from all care, happiness filling the air.
Nur die Musik bringt mir noch Glück. Man sieht mich stets am Radio schalten oder ich sitze am Klavier.
Meine Oma fährt Motorrad, ohne Bremse, ohne Licht. Ihre Hupe ist gestohlen und der Hintertreib neu nicht dicht. Der Benzintank leckt bedenklich und der Auspuff knallt und kracht. Aber lustig fährt die Oma durch die laue Sommernacht.
As is always the case, the week of vacation went by far too quickly, and so before I knew it, I was back on my way home.
Let's spend the day in my Model A. We'll drive and drive till late at night, and then we'll park and spoon a mite. I'll hug and kiss and hold you tight. You'll find my love and dynamite when we're in my Model A.